Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Eminem, MGK, I don't play how they play. Buffoons buying auto-tune off iTunes. I would like to, but I don't like you. Look what you make me do. If I had all that money, I would do something positive, unlike you. Wearing Jesus pieces to mislead the lost. Take it off or watch how you talk. Making bad look good, making good look bad. What people do for money is oh so sad. I'm not you, I don't rap it, I'm glad. I don't want your money, I want your time, cause I do something productive with mine. Everywhere I look, I see signs of the end times, and it eases my mind, cause soon I'll be getting mine. What you talking about? It ain't even a real conversation coming out of your mouth. Staring at the exit, I'm about to make my way out. That yin and that yang is what you're on. Duped by the Nike swoosh, paying homage to a Greek god that doesn't even love you. These guys are out of line. What's wrong with your mind? A sign of the times. Living a lie, but oh, not I. Align your mind with your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind with your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind with your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Today I gotta play hooky, refine my mind just when they thought they took me. Mental day, let Moron play. I gotta leave your cage for a day so my brain don't decay. Serenity Lodge where I hide away. Get bored and lonely so I can hear what my girl has to say, cause I'll be home while she's at work all day. Nothing good comes out of Hollywood, so I keep the TV off just like I should. I might be short but I'm fucking huge, too large to be under a roof. I need a fresh autumn air coming through the moonroof. Drive a seat with some V8 fruit juice, laughing with the Blue Jays passing. White tee, blue jeans, cause I ain't into fashion. Turn the music on and the women start dancing. Are you listening to the lyrics? Like they don't hear it. What's going on with your spirit? I can't bear it, don't wanna go near it. The silence I cherish. No news, no blues, no violence, can't hear it. If you watch too much TV, you start to mirror it. They say check out that Mac Miller, but homie, I have nothing in common with a junkie that makes a lot of money. Must be cause he's W-H-I-T-E. Little buddy that was racist, but I'll let it be. Skin tone isn't something I see. I feel bad for people who are mad cause it's just so sad. Why? Cause you're different than I. We're all under the sky living a lie. We're all gonna die. Where you go from there is up to you to decide. I really don't care too much for the fuck stuff. What I do takes much guts. Jesus is the only politician that loves us. Showing love back is a must. I don't want none from the material world. I run from them gold digging girls. Popping bottles of Aleve to relieve my migraine. I don't care what you gotta say, cause today is my day. Align your mind in your own words, cause the shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Align your mind in your own words, cause that shit you're listening to is for the birds. Stay productive, motherfucker. Sometimes you gotta take a day off. Like my boy Ferris, Mr. Bueller. I got the beers in the cooler. Frosty, I'm a ruler.